I'm going to give you guys a little behind the scenes look at how this scene was created. Basically, I just modeled a giant Kingda Ka model and basically put images of clouds behind it. And then the difficult part was animating the camera movement in a realistic way that would look like a drone shot or a handheld shot. And in a few clips, I tried to change focus. It was a project I've always wanted to do, and I've been doing stuff like this. I have a whole Instagram that is devoted to doing stuff like this. You guys can check that out, but I wanted to do something video related rather than photo related, so I decided to post it here on my YouTube channel. But yeah, this is basically the process of how I made it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you all for watching, and subscribe to the channel.